All right, it should be on. Let's see. See if I'm on what. Let's see. What a crazy open. A good open. Now let's let this IB form and let's cook, man. Okay, let's see what we got here. Hey, wait, yeah. Okay, nice. Let me see if the let's let this IB form and let's cook, man. Man, we're live. Let's go. Let's fucking go, man. Wait, let's see if they can hear you. No, they can't hear you. Do you want them to hear you? Nice. Let me see if let's let this IB form and let's cook, man. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Wait, let's see if they can hear you. Part time. Who's part time Bruce Wayne? Is that you? Oh, okay. There's no one. One, which is you. Anyways, it's a start. That's cool though. Everything's pretty clear. What is it? 720? That's awesome, man. It's actually 720. I can be all the way to 1080p. Yeah, if you have the YouTube open, you're gonna hear me. Like it's delayed. So like yeah, yeah. Or muted or something. I don't know, it looks uh, at the overnight high. That's it. There we go. Overnight high, we got monthly open. That's what it bounced off. I get my VWAPs. Gotta get my VWAPs, man. Full day. Man, that weekly VWAP definitely you definitely want to pay attention to that. Can't tell you how many times some crazy stuff's happened. All right, guys, we're live. Port City Investments. Market just opened. And yeah, you're in? Short? Yeah, it's not a bad short. I would just, if you get any profit, man, like secure your profit. Because this might, like once you get in profit, try and, I guess, cover as soon as possible. But this looks like it's going to drop. I'm looking at and like I'm looking at the open. The market's in balance. So, like it was a shitty open, to be honest, so far. You got out? Profit? You should. Yeah. It's almost back at the open, so invite them to the. Hey, you want to invite them to the. Can you invite them or do I have to invite them? All right, one sec. It's pretty cool because I can go back and watch my trades. You know what I mean? Or we can double stream. You know, how YouTube has the thing where you can collaborate. We'll get like we can basically be on the same stream, right? We can be on the same stream, which would be cool. We get more people. Be cool. AGB. I'm not really trying to be a YouTuber. I'm just trying to live stream it for myself, to be honest. Yeah. Just so I can see my trades and stuff. Like, why did I take that trade? You should have stayed in that short. It's going now. Yeah, he just joined. I'm gonna accept him. Just it. All right, cool. Keep watching though for the algorithm, I guess. That doesn't even matter. It's only like an accountability stream, I guess. How you doing? Hey man, I was scratched yesterday. I took two trades and it was just I was just like, yeah, it's choppy. I'm not gonna do anything. Damn, man. I saw that. Yeah. I have it's like German. Oh no, sorry. I was looking at the wrong thing. At 2 p.m. Low. This open's been terrible, but um it's basically in the middle of the balance. Or the middle of the yeah, well, in balance. Let's see if we have any single prints anywhere. It just hit 949. You wanted to short it? Well, your original short wasn't bad idea. It's pretty much the top. Bounced off a full day VWAP. So we got a settlement 943 and the monthly open 945. So yeah, good thing you got out of that short. Damn, this has some steam. I want to pull back. Well, overnight high is 958. That was a pullback. Time. Well, all the trading desks and stuff, they all look at tick charts. They don't look at time. It's gonna take out the overnight high. I got stop break even. It was a quick little long just to tag the high. Couple points, but I immediately put my stop at break even, so oh, look at that. We hit the 60s. Mm-hmm. I don't know. I'm looking at this overnight high as a short, potentially. I wouldn't want to short it now, but it would make sense for it to pull back here. Like a little bit. Not much. 1720 what? Oh, 73.25. It's also overnight high, and it's also the previous day value area high. Previous day value area high, so put on the volume. Yeah. Like five, and then end goal is if I'm able to compound to 10, but five. Ooh, wow, tape bomb. Look at that. Previous day high is well, this is gonna be like a monthly high, so that's crazy. Dude, maybe Trump went and airlifted somebody again. This is the next one. I think that's insane. They just made a monthly high. We just took out the yesterday's high, so it's looking pretty strong, to be honest. Saying, feel like now, and now I can't get in right now. More Americans, blah blah blah. I'm looking at. I don't really see any. It used to be PMI. I guess it's the PMI. It says P. Someone said good or bad, Gronk. PMI signals above 50 signal expansion, which is positive. Services at 52.5, down from 52.9, and composite at 52.7, down from 53, show continued growth, but the slight dip suggests a modest slowdown. So basically, PMI came in good, but it's down compared to like slightly. So it's not like overly bullish. So I don't know. That was like 21 ticks right there from that pullback. Previous day high, it's having a hard time here. 963. No volume. Mhm. I'm looking at this still. Huge negative delta and it's still pumping. So I'm on. I have a 22 reversal here. Are you watching the stream or what? It stream's delayed, so don't even look at that. But uh, yeah, I only have one of my screens up here. I'll put it up here now. This is what I'm looking at. Bunch of sellers trapped there, and then I don't know. See what happens with this candle. It's over the previous day high, so I don't know. Okay. The thing is, the volume is dying down here. All right. Yeah, that's a pretty strong open, so I'm kind of keeping my bias to get in long somewhere. Take my time. Yeah, like see what we got here. We have a naked point of control at 80, 980. So I could see that 980. I have it at 980.25 RTH. That's a yeah. This is just going straight up, so it's like I I can't really. Can't really just YOLO in. So, but it would hurt me if this just goes straight to 980 without me. I have a naked point of control, naked PLC, and it's also the previous week open as well, which is interesting. That's a crazy pump, eh? From 60, 60 was a 60 was the entry. Mm. Yeah, no. On Dom, do you guys have a lot of orders at 75? I don't know, guys. Like, it just keeps crawling up, and um, I can't jump in. Yeah. See, I don't want to. What happened yesterday is like it pumped and then look, it it went sideways until like 3:30, pretty much. This just straight up. Hmm. It's gonna hit 75. Go, I just hit it. 74, 74.50. Unless it goes now. There's a lot of trap sellers at 70. Between 70 and 69, they're gonna cover. So might get a bounce or something. I read a little bit of it. I gotta finish it. Oh, look at that. That's a nice pullback. I don't really want to rush into anything right now. It's kind of like get the IB form and then go from there. But mhm. That open was pretty good, so I don't think I'm gonna take a short anytime soon. Mm. Not saying it's be a bad thing. It's just mm, see what happens there. Nope, no pullback. Just took out 75. I feel like this is just going to 80. So it's looking like. Oh, yes, this whole move, volume has just been slowing down, so. Mm. Just like a strong uptrend like this, it's really difficult to short something like this. Okay. Could that have been a top? Because we just got the most volume in like on my 10-6. That last candle, huge volume. So like usually when that happens, like, oh my God, still going. And this is going to 80. What's that? I could risk 100 to get to be 2 to 1 here on this long to 80. I'd have my stop at 72 and my target would be 80. Basically 2 to 1. Yeah, it's too close. It's too close. Take a short now? I feel like this is going to 80 because we have that naked point of controls there. So yeah, I'm gonna pull out the Dom I have. Dom, Dom and deep. My Dom's better? Like the liquidity map one or the one I showed you? Okay. You jumping in short? Into one contract. Let's see what happens here. And one contract short. Let's do a little bit more. I'm in 6. Bounced off that volume. Let's see where we are here. Man, 100's my stop. 125. Uh, did you get out? Or are you still in? Very nice. We're plus 26. I'm putting my stop at, I'm getting out at 50. I might just take the $50. I'm out. Nice. Nice. Take the $50. I still think this is gonna go down more, but it's going down more. It's going down more. It's going down more. But let it retest. I don't know. Yeah. Good thing we got out. We got a good time. Or are you still in? The thing is, man, shorting this is like, man, it's tough to hold the short, especially shorting is just so high risk. It's you're better off just longing, man. You know what I mean? Like it's just so hard. Yeah. Especially in an uptrend like this, anything can happen, man. Someone can just smash the. Right. Oh, okay. No problem. Okay. 79. I'm saying 79, 80. So on my dumb, I have 300 and then 290, like 300. If you look at 79. But you know what? I think this, like the way the Dom surface more, it's the bid and the ask combined. It's just liquidity, right? Or sorry, not the sorry, not the no, sorry, that doesn't make sense. This is just the ask. Sorry, so it's just the ask. So I don't know why we don't have the same numbers, right? I don't know. I gotta look into it. Let me go to man. 75 is like I don't know if this is like a generational short. Probably not. But why is it so? Why is it so? But like I don't know if you can look on the stream. Like we're in the value area of like that naked. Was it? December 26th. That naked point of control is right there. The naked volume point of control is 7.7. We haven't hit 7.7 yet. Seven seven. So that naked point of control is 80. It's right there. So, you know, you know where we exited our shore. If we would have long, that was a really good long. But there was nothing there. There's nothing there to tell you the long. Oh my God, this is going to 80. I don't know if I should jump in for the 2 points or what. It doesn't make sense, yeah. Let's let's something happened. Let's make a new call. See what else. Isn't it crazy how they just went in isn't it crazy how they just went into Venezuela? Is that not insane? Isn't it not crazy how they just went in Venezuela and arrested the president? Like what the fuck? Is, is that not insane? Like they can just I feel bad like I don't feel bad but like man those Venezuelan people are slack. How the hell do you let that happen? Like they arrested your president. That's crazy. Insane. Apparently Canada's screwed, man. We're going into a Great Depression because of Venezuela. Apparently the oil Venezuela has, it's thick oil. It's like the thick sour oil, right? And the US, their refineries are built for that sour oil, that thick oil. And the only two places on the planet that have that thick oil are Venezuela and Canada. And they got it for free, right? Why would they pay Canada? So we're basically, I'd be careful, man. All I'm saying is because this could just pop the 80 just like nothing. But if you see it, take it. 2 minutes IB's form. You think it's gonna dump? Sure, but depends if it's gonna take out 80 first and dump. Mm-hmm. Go down. Yeah, I do see that. You taking it? Oh, it's going. Yeah, it's going. If it takes out this low. Yeah, it's going. That was a good. That was good. Yeah, I see what you mean there. Right here. Came, hit it, bounce, hit it again. Came. That's a head and shoulders. I don't really trade patterns, but that's what it is. I'm waiting for this. I'm gonna take out this. There's a lot of people that shorted there. You using moving averages at all? One sec. I'm gonna put in my journal. I took that trade at what? 11, 10, 10, 20. So I'll go back and look at that trade. Oh, okay, yeah, yeah. Well, it's gonna be on YouTube, right? So it'll just be there. I can go. You can go look. I can go look. Well, I guess your screen isn't there, but I don't know. But like based on market profile, it's telling me that was a good open. Yeah, it was a good show where you took your. You want to share? You want to share your screen? You want to share your screen? I'll put it on the stream. Oh, look at that short, man. Look at that. Look at that, man. That was a good one. That was a good one, man. All right, I think there's 75, 75. Yeah, 4 points, 16 ticks. Look at that. Look at that, man. 70. Yeah, man, that was a good one. Yeah. 50 MA. Let me look. Do I have that? Oh, you're using a tick chart. My bad. Hey, there's a really good short that just happened. Bilal called it. I took a short earlier, couple points, $50, small, but now the obby's form, so I'm just sitting tight. There's a lot of negative delta coming in now. It's like it's flipped, so I think the pullback starts now, or well, continues. And if you think about it, VWAP is only at 962. It's only 8 points away, 32 ticks. Yeah, you have previous day high at 963 as well. So yeah. But look at this. It hit the volume. It hit the naked volume point of control, and then that was the turning point. So I had seven. Okay, so for market profile, I had time point of control at 980, 50, and then I had for that same day, I had the naked volume point of control was 9775, and it hit 977. What did we hit? 97725. So basically 977. And it's on my microphone. That was a really good and now look. Is it gonna come back into this is either a really good long opportunity, but I have no levels here. I have no levels. Okay. We might have to start another meeting because it's gonna end soon. So I'll just do that. And Trump speaks at 3. New Zealand. No one cares about New Zealand. You said you were scrap. Oh yeah, you said the the fees. Yep. Wow, man, look at this. Look at this, man. Look at that. Everything just flipped. Huge negative delta. Bilal, you called the top. You literally called the top. Hello? Yeah. I I can hear you now. I can hear you now. Yeah. Gonna hit this 3. It's like 3.5 hours. Wow, man. Really good. Really good, man. So you guys taking the short to VWAP? It's gonna bounce here. This is a value area high. VWAP. Or not VWAP, volume. Yeah. Yeah, pretty big bounce there. Look at where we bounced too. Here, can I? That's crazy. See if I can. Mm-mm. Yeah, man, they gotta start paying rent. Their cats. You said what? Yep. Crazy. Yeah. Mhm. I see that. I have 696750 as today's time point of control. Okay, yep. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is going lower. We just broke into we broke the volume on my chart at least. We broke the volume the value area high volume. So now we're in I have it like I don't know if you see the stream. I have it marked in a yellow marker. It's gonna be a bit delayed. Oh, well, okay. For volume, I think mine's full day. Maybe that's why. Yeah. You want to take a long from? Hmm. Right. We didn't get it. I just started using the DOM. What did you like? What did you like? I don't know if you look on the stream, or maybe I'll just share my screen on Google. It'd be a lot easier. Hey, look at this. It's a bit delayed, but oh, it's stuck. It's stuck. That's fine though. Do you see? One sec. I'll start one. I pulled. This is the DOM I have, and oh, there you go. You see it? So this is my DOM. It's I gotta configure it. Oh, 965. Yeah, it's gonna. Oh, let me get Bilal's. Yo. Oh, okay. And I guess you have the time and sales as well too, right? Oh, there we go. Let's see what happens here. I'm just afraid it might go lower to like 5.9 or something. Yeah, 5.9 is yesterday's. Oh, there you go. That was a good long if you got in. Okay. What do you guys use them for size? Like 20? The dumb? More than 20? Like time and sale. Time and sale. Of 50. Okay. Hmm. Follow through here. Looks good. This actually looks pretty good. It's stalling, but I still it's above VWAP. Hasn't really touched the VWAP, so oh, here we go. Previous day high. There we go. Yeah. See if this bounces here. Damn, this sounds pretty heavy. Hmm. The manager's got money to work with new year, right? See if this bounces. So we broke RTH VWAP, and we're getting a little bounce off the full day VWAP. Yeah, so I had up. I got one more left, and then I'm out. So we'll see. Is it bad for market profile? Market. I'm low. Yeah, I'm low. I need to get a reaction here, or I'm gonna be out. Probably going to the point of control. So yeah, I got one more. My last one. That was crazy. So I'm in my full position. Let's see if it bounces here. Oh, this thing. Let's see. That was an insane pullback. There we go. Let's go. The 2 minutes, we get a new period. I'm hoping it holds here because if we keep going down lower, we're going back into yesterday's value area. So it is bad. Hmm. It's just been straight down. All right. Mhm. I'm liking this bounce because it bounced right off the value. I didn't really want to see it spend time. It might still go down, but I need a bounce here at previous day value area high on time. I like to see a bounce here, and then we can figure out if it's really gonna come back down. But what am I at? My entry is what, 6? My average is 6-0, so like 6-0, 70. Basically like let's say like 5 ticks. 6 point something ticks. But if this fails, I'd be kinda probably gonna get out. Don't really get like some follow through here. Yeah. Put my stop here. Make that low. Probably gonna get stopped. Crazy amount of selling came in though. Insane. Just below. Yo, I'm in a long, yeah, a little bit underwater though, and I have my stop at. Wait, let me move it to 5.3. There you go. 6.53 is my stop. A lot of selling coming in. Both the VWAPs didn't hold, so it looks like it's probably gonna flush, man. It's insane. It's insane. There's no like I'm gonna get stopped. That's what it's looking like. But look at this. Look at this. We got a bounce here at 5.4. And no, I'm long from earlier. I compounded, so but I have my fixed stop, so till I get stopped out. I almost got stopped out, which is crazy. Almost like one tick. It would be so clutch if it runs now. Well, I got stopped. I got stopped. And like 50 minus one, so I'm like 140, negative 140, which isn't, you know, that's one trade. So, but basically where I longed was VWAP. And I compounded at the full day VWAP. And then this is pretty much where we're at. We're just below the full day VWAP. But and also it was the yesterday's value area high. That's what I longed as well. So, but now we're in the yesterday's value. We could just see a full rotation down, or at least want to control 950, right? So it's not crazy. Feels like we're gonna get a full rotation because it didn't spend much time outside of value. Just came right back, literally up and down. Look at this open. Such a good open. Yeah. Now we're back at 950, like you said. So, and I'm at the point where I'll look for a long maybe at like nine in the 40s or something. Weekly VWAP. Other than that, there's really nothing here for me. Yeah, like I'm at the point where I'm at the point where I'm just gonna switch accounts actually. I'm done for the day on this one. Go to the next one. No, I'm negative 140 on this other one. I haven't took a trade on my second one. But I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna take a trade till the afternoon or something because all the gains lost. Everything. And I was just surprised. Like I was expecting a little bit more fight from those key levels, but nothing. And now it looks like buyers are stepping in. Yeah, might as well put this on. I'm taking a short. Yeah. It's bouncing though, so yeah. Like I wouldn't be surprised if this just chops to the like I don't know, it hit the volume, it hit the time. The X feed's the best, but it's some no like you're not getting discounts. Mhm. Done. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. I'm in a trade right now. Long. Just wanted to get over this VWAP. It doesn't, then I'm out. So what time do you want to come back? So I'm gonna hop out of this probably. Okay. Like to 1:45. It's like an hour and 45 minutes, right? Wait. All right. I am, but I'm ready to close it soon. I'm just watching this view up, then I'll come back. I'm gonna manage it. I'm managing it. Just looking at the market profile, it just looks like it's at least this midpoint. So that's what I'm going for. Yeah. This is my first trade on this account, so uh, I just wanted to get over that overnight high. It's a lot of negative delta, but I'm hope like it's like we're getting a little bit of. We just need a little bit of follow through here. Get a little bit of follow through here. Let's go. Wow. They sold it. There's some sellers getting absorbed here too. So I'm just what? Is that a six? I don't know. Why? This is gonna go. But it's gotta be patient here. Let's hope it doesn't get sold here. This is where buyers were. There we go. There we go. But how does that make sense? This long's this long's looking all right. Let's get some follow through. Come on. It doesn't make sense to take the $40 because after this like rhythmic and whatever. All right, let's go. I'm taking the 100 on this. I'll take five off. Look at that. Look at that, man. Let's go. 140. 170. I'm out. Let's go. Let's fucking go. That's how you fucking do it. That's how you fucking do it. What time? I need to put a timestamp on that. What timestamp was that trade on? 12:45. 12:25. Okay, I'm gonna go get something. One sec. Hello. Yeah. Yo, I think I'm gonna stop the stream, Bilal. Uh, I might come back and trade or something. I'm still on. I'm still on. Are you leaving? Yeah. I want to see too. Yo, did you see that long, man? You see that? I was pretty proud of that long. All right, guys. Thanks.